Hello, I'm Laura, and today we are going to be looking at a really cool app in Canva. This is an awesome app because it allows you to take an old black and white image, upload it into Canva, and then colorize it. It really does it in one simple click. This is going to be fantastic because we all have old photos. If you're my age or older, we've probably all got old photos dotted around the house, maybe some that aren't very good color-wise, bit grainy. Stick them into Canva and get them uploaded to have this Colourise app on them. It's a really cool app, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it today. Very simple, very quick tutorial. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. We have a black and white photo here, and I've run it through the Colourise app, and it has brought back some colour. Now, I'm not going to say that this is going to be amazing and have such vibrant reds and greens and blues, but it does give life back to your photos. And as you can see in this example here, the colour one is so much nicer and warmer, and you can really feel that lady. You can feel her energy in that color photo. So I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm going to open a blank page. You can have any style template you want. Just open up a blank page. Okay, so Instagram, Facebook. This is a presentation page. It doesn't matter. You can do this with anyone. Go to your uploads folder, upload a photo into Canva. Upload it from your desktop. If you can scan it in, put it on your desktop, on your phone, go to the upload, you can upload it, or you can trial this out with the photos in Canva. So I'm just going to type in black and white so we can get some black and white photos to try all this on. There's loads in Canva. There's a huge amount of photos in here, and I've been having a play with this, and it does work. Okay, so I'm going to try, let's try this one here. I've not done it with this one, so we will try this photo. So you add the photo into your blank template. Normally we go to edit photo, but we're not doing that in this case. We're using an app. Head over to the app section on the left-hand menu. And at the moment, this is a featured app, so it is here. But what you would do is type in Colourise. It's spelt with a Z. We don't use Z in Colourise in the UK, but in other countries you do. So you go for Colourise. Okay, so you saw I clicked the swirly little app there with the swirly colours. And it has one button. This is so simple and easy to do. It says upload a black and white or grayscale image or select one in your design to colorize. Now, what you need to do is upload the image before you get to this part, because if you click colorize, it won't do anything because you've got no image on this side here. So you would need to come over here, find your image, put it in, and then go back and find the app. So if you want to try this out, put a photo into your design first, and then go and find the app. Okay, so I am going to now hit colorize and replace. So what it will do is it will colorize this photo and actually replace it in my design with the new one. Let's see how this works. Okay, so it has colorized my image for me. It's added in some really lovely browns and creams in that photo. I absolutely love that. And it really works. The colors really work with that image. Now, let me go back and find the original black one, the grayscale one, so you can now see the difference between the two photos where it's added in the color. Now, I think this is a fantastic app. So like I said, old photos, you've got something, grandparents maybe that have got some old photos that they would love to have in color, a wedding photo, for example. My grandparents, I know they would love to have their wedding photos. I think they were black and white put into color. So I'm just going to try another one. I'm going to try this one, which has got pencils. Now let's see what it does with the color of these pencils. I'm going to go over to apps, Colourise, and then Colourise and replace. I'm intrigued to see if it will give me individual colors for these pencils or if it will take them as all the same color. So it's good to have an experiment with these. It really is. Okay, so what it's done, it's taken them as pencils rather than coloring crayons, but it has still given the image a color hint. If I go back to the original photo, you can see there what it's done. So I really like this app. I hope you do as well. And I really hope that you do have a play with this, because just adding a hint of color to some old photos, or even to one in Canva that you love and you want to use in your social media, but you want it to be in color, you can use the Colourise app. Well, there we go. What do we think of that? Another awesome app that Canva have integrated into their amazing platform. A really simple app, one that you may not think that you might need until you come across one of those old black and white photos and you suddenly think, actually, yes, I could actually put this in color. And it just becomes so much more real life when a photo is in color. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you go and try the Colourise app in Canva. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you get access to all of the videos as and when they come onto my Create on Canva channel. So that's it from me today. I'm Laura. I'm a Canva creator and a Empower Canvassador. And yeah, that's a new video I've brought for you today, and I will see you in the next one.